Hello friends! Today I will help you to chase away your red spots, dark circles, wrinkles, and dry skin with the help of glycerin, as well as to refresh your skin tone with the use of lemon juice, tomato juice, and gram flour. I will add a few tablespoons of gram flour, pure wheat flour, a pinch of turmeric powder, tomato juice, and few drops of lemon juice. And finally, few drops of glycerin. Now mix them together. Apply it on your skin with the help of finger. Once it starts to dry up, rub and massage it well in circular motion. With massaging, it will help removing blackheads, dead skin, and will also be a good and healthy scrub for your skin. Keep it on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes and use it daily. Tip: those who carry sensitive skin, please avoid using lemon juice. Instead, use fresh milk. In the next video, I will come up with a tip for those who face hair fall and gray hair. For that, you need to do a favor, and that is to subscribe Craft and Creativity for more videos.